Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to close your position on FX replay when you're backtesting. So right now we created ourselves a position right here on Bitcoin and we want to close this position. It's of course a backtest, so right now it's standing right here as open positions. But if you want to close this, we go right here to the three dots and then we can click here on close. Then right now you will get this screen where you can click right here, use original position or use a left amount of position. Then right here you can decide the percentage that you want to close or amount that you want to close. And then after that we click right here on save. So now if you click here on save, we close this position and now we have 3.5k in the plus on our journal. So this is how you can close a position on FX replay. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.